this is Queen B. I am back with another review. Today we're going to be doing a review on Paloops Ring LED Portable Photo Studio. Okay. Let me take my note off to make a video. Okay. So let's get started. So I got this from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. And let's get started. Let's open her up. I put gloves on because I do know that it's all white. It's like it's a little white studio. And it does come with the color slides. As you can see, it has it here. Comes with 6 colors: black, white, orange, blue, red, and green. Okay, I'll primarily probably be using the white. I'm using this for my online website. I'm going to be taking pictures of the eyelashes that I sell and some other things that I sell on my website. And I want the picture to be studio perfect with nothing in the background. Because to me, when you have distractions in the background, it kind of takes your attention away from what you want your customers to buy. So for me, I'm probably going to be using a white one, but who knows? Things change. Okay. So it does come in this little bag here. A nice little white bag. All right. Make sure I get everything up there. There we go. Better. Okay. All right. So this is what comes in it. All right. Something sliding around in there. Oh, it looks like I got to put this together. OMG. Okay. So. All right, so this looked like it is just some brief descriptions of what's in the pack. So packing list, main studio box, backgrounds, lamp information, brightness, temperature, power wattage, etc. All right, it says product instructions. Portable Studio is designed for portability. Excuse me, you guys. For portability especially. It suits for shooting small subjects and will work. It's excellent everywhere and every time. With the features of a small size portability, the light source quantity and variety are limited. It is recommended to use as temporary studio with excellent easy to use features. Wow, they didn't say it's best to use it temporary when I bought it though. But let's see. I think it's going to do the job for what I want it to be. So those were the instructions right here at the bottom. So now we're going to flip it over. And as you can see, this is the instructions on how to put the box together, which it looks pretty easy. It doesn't look like it's too complicated. So let's get started with that. I really think it's going to be super good for what I'm doing it for. So these are going to be the little... So you hook them on the inside like this, and it kind of flows over the bottom portion where you're really going to be taking the main picture right here. So I'm guessing if you have something that's super bright white, you want to put it on a different color background. All right. So that's what I'm guessing. Okay. So we have the blue, white, black. All right, looks good. Some blacks come faded to me, but that looks really rich and good. And this, actually, all the colors look really rich, really good. All right, Paloops, good job. All right, and there's a red, and then it also comes with the green. Okay, so now, because I don't want anything on it. So I guess this is the box. Oh, I see. This is the light. Okay, so let's read the instructions first. But it feels like it's like a little, like a plastic material, and maybe vinyl. Like you know how you use the blinds on the TV. I mean, on your window. It feels like that material, like really sleek, thin, but plastic. Feels durable too. This right here looks like. That's the light. I know this hole comes out so that you can put a camera down here and look through once you get the box up, but let's show you versus tell you. So let's get the instructions. So one, we will unfolding steps. So unfold the studio with pulling from the edge, easy and smooth to open. Okay. Pull apart the studio from the top and bottom. It will be unfolded easily. The buckle allow you to dock the four corners easily. You can sense when they have been attached. Fold the top, side, and middle with buckle positioning. Put the background cloth inside. Okay. Alright, so instructions are not my best suit. Okay, I'll say that. I know this is the top, so let's just do that. Oh, and I'm guessing these are the buckles right here, yeah. So these are the buckles right here. So I guess this slide right here. Yeah. So you'll know when it's in there. Okay. There we go. So that's one. Okay, so is that how it goes in? Alright, so as you can see here, you have the little clip here and a little clip here. So you just slide it in. You're just going from eye to eye with the instructions. It seems like it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay. So if you open that a little more, there we go. Alright, so let's hit that click, and that click, like that. Okay. And I guess this folds like that. And that's where that goes. And then you want to. So it has a little plug on the inside. As you can see. So I'm gonna take the plug out of this little hole at the top. So that when we plug it up, probably should have did this portion before though. Okay, there we go. There we go. Alright, perfecto. It does look like it's probably very easily broken, so you definitely want to make sure you handle it with care. Because as you can see, the lights on the inside, they have some wires there. So you just want to make sure you're really extra careful that you don't pull those out. Okay. Let's hook these bottom hooks and cut her on and see how she works. Oh, I think it's like that, maybe. I have it wrong. No. The inside to this. Yeah. Oh, and that's a little photo studio rack, core piece. Okay, so that's that. And here it clip, which is right. So I think this was like 20 bucks or maybe under 20 bucks. It wasn't much at all. I think 1988, something like that. So, all right, let's see how this will flow. So then we're going to, so what do you want to do? What do you want to do? That? I think the all white. I'm going to stick with the all white. See what I really wanted to do. So right now, I am just putting the tabs on so that this cloth piece can hang and not have to be held up. My nail won't break it like that. Fits perfectly. Okay, and if I wanted to take a picture from the top, you just lay it down in there. So, see how bright this baby is. Let's see. Alright, so let's switch. Alright, light comes on. Oh, I love it already, you guys. I am in love with it. Yep. So, this is how bright it is. But by it being such a little box, it just brings so much light dimension right there. Like, I am in love with it. And you actually have options when it comes to the light, okay? So you can go up or you can go down. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. To where it's only the subtle. That is really good. I like it, you guys. I hope you guys like it too. It's such a perfect little studio. So if you were to get your camera and just hold it over the hole, you get just the all white. And then if you look in, you just get the all white. It's like a pure white studio with lights. So for me, I'm going to be putting my eyelashes here and just taking a picture of just a white background with my lashes here. So I'll take that picture and I'll put it in the thumbnail to show you guys the final professional photo. Okay? Yes. All right, get out of there, little piece of hair. All right, I really like it. And when you put that tongue down right here, it solidifies, like it kind of traps the light in, makes it a little brighter. Now that could be just me because I'm a little crazy, but it does to me make it a little bright. So it's a nice little studio. I like it. It was definitely worth it, you guys. So I will leave the link in the description. This is the name, Pulse Photo Accessories. I might be saying that wrong, so I do apologize. I'm not paid for this video. I just wanted to share this review with you guys because I search YouTube all the time for reviews. All right, thanks. Peace, love, and happiness. Make sure you subscribe to my other page, Queen Bee Nail Hive. Until next time, I love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.